backache that she suffers, her quality of life is severely impaired. I think the only option for Nicola is surgery.
We can see and compare to the previous x-rays that the curve is getting worse. So she's close to her age of a growing age now, and she's reaching that point now where we must either intervene or say to her that that's how it's going to be for the rest of her life.
The way I see it, it wasn't corrective surgery, it was preventative surgery. You know, I see this as something it's going to help it from getting worse and potentially ruining the future she has for herself.
Adolescent idiopathic scoliosis causes the whole back and the chest to change their shape. It causes breathing problems, it can cause severe backache, it can cause chest problems, chest pain, and can severely impair the quality of life of a patient.
So what we did was we put some rods and screws to straighten it out and to turn it back to its normal shape, or as close as possible to its normal shape. Lots of risk, and that's why we have so many people in theatre. During the surgery, the main thing that we're worried about is damage to any of the nerves. We have some preoperative planning, we draw our charts, and then we slowly go step by step by step. And after each step, you have to make sure that you've done it correctly and then go to the next step. So it's quite a mentally challenging as well. You have to think about, has everything went right in that step, and then you go on to the next step. So it's a lot of concentration.
From when she was this big, she's been dictating exactly how her life is going to be. You know, she told us what primary school she was going to go to, and she went there. She told us what high school she was going to go to, and she went there. And she tells us what she's going to do. I mean, we don't actually plan her life. She plans her life and kind of just lets us know what's happening. And I think after she spoke to the doctor, it was more like had her conversation with the doctor, asked her questions, and kind of like got the answers she needed for what she thought needed to happen and how it was going to happen. She decided that she needed to get it done, and she got it done.
I'm feeling tired, but relieved. Everything went well. We didn't have any complications, and I think we can have a good outcome. So, bit of relief, yes. Long journey, but now her role is still to come, or the physiotherapist and the other multidisciplinary team comes in, start getting her out of bed, start mobilizing her, lots of rehab. But within a few weeks, she's going to be back to her normal self, and should be good.